10 reasons WebStarts is the perfect website builder for small businesses. Number 1. Easy to use visual editor. The visual editor lets you drag and drop design elements where you want them to be displayed. There's no code to write or software to install. Just sign up and start building. Number 2. Automatic domain name setup. Your domain works automatically. You want your very own .com website, right? Of course you do. With other website builders you have to register a domain name and configure it with their servers. With WebStarts you simply enter the domain you want and it just starts working automatically. Number 3. Your site submitted to Google. WebStarts helps to submit your website to Google. Once you have a website you need people to find it. Most people find websites by searching Google. WebStarts makes sure you're included in Google's search results so you have a better chance of being found. Number 4. Matching custom email addresses. You can have an email address that matches your domain. Using a free email address like Gmail for your business is cheesy. With WebStarts you can have an email address that matches your domain name. This makes your communication much more professional. Number 5. Form Builder. WebStarts includes a powerful form builder. By adding a form to your website you can collect contact information from your site visitors so you can follow up later. The form builder supports all types of fields and formats. So whatever information you need site visitors to submit you're covered. Number 6. Email marketing. After you collect contact information from your forms you can automate your sales process by sending scheduled follow-up emails. You can also send broadcast emails to entire groups of leads. It's perfect if you're running a sale or have an important news event you'd like to share with your audience. Number 7. E-commerce. With WebStarts you can integrate an online store directly into your website. There's no need for third-party apps. Just enable the store, set up your products and prices, and you're ready to start selling. Number 8. Blog search engines love content, and there's no better way to create content than with a blog. With WebStarts you can add a blog to your website and power up your marketing efforts whether you're reviewing products, sharing news, or just expressing your opinion. Number 9. Search engine optimization features. WebStarts is loaded with features to help your site rank well on search engines. You'll find features that range from assigning heading tags to blocks of text, to providing page descriptions, and more. Number 10. Real support from real people. Best of all, WebStarts is there to provide the support you need if you ever have a question or get stuck creating your website. Click the link below to sign up for a free account.